The recovery mode in Dana Pro amplifiers is designed for emergencies, allowing you to reset or change the IP address, username, and password, or reinstall the firmware. To begin, connect your PC directly to the amplifier using a cabled connection. Set your PC's IP address to a static 192.168.0.5. Open your browser and type 192.168.0.8 into the address bar, but do not press enter yet. Next, disconnect the mains power from the amplifier. Press and hold the standby button. Then reconnect the mains power while continuing to hold the button. The amplifier will initiate a 30-second countdown, indicated by the frontal LED lights. During this time, return to your PC and confirm the 192.168.0.8 address in your browser. On the displayed page, press Start Application within the countdown. The amplifier will enter boot mode. From the boot menu, you can update the firmware, adjust network settings, change the username and password, or view amplifier details. When your adjustments are complete, press Start Application again to reboot the amplifier and return it to normal operation.